Activities in the ocean, in the polar region, are going to be on the basis of what is being achieved through research here in this center. This is a beautiful center, and our team of committed officers and scientists here are doing everything. We just need to give them full support. And Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji has already had a vision about the blue economy, how much ocean will contribute in India's growth. So this is where ocean becomes a critical area for a country's prosperous future. And I see our Ministry of Earth Sciences giving a very substantial contribution in fulfilling Prime Minister's vision to make India completely Atmanirbhar Bharat. That means a fully developed nation by 2047. And the Ministry of Earth Sciences, particularly the ocean, is a vast area, and that will play a critical role and substantial contribution. I am very happy that Goa has this beautiful center here, and I'll come again in future and try to have more intensive interaction with our team here. Advancement will have to have the participation of large numbers of private players. The private individual or firms, companies, everybody will have to have a role to play in scientific research. But in India right now, government is taking the lead role, and especially in the research for the ocean segment. This is where government is taking the lead role. But in future, if the private people are looking for some kind of collaboration, we will be very happy to get them on board. Opportunity for India to chair, and this year being the 75th year of our independence. So it's a Amrit Kal. It's a very important year for India, and to chair the G20, the most important global forum right now is G20, and to head G20 is very important. And the blue economy is very important part of the G20 discussion, and Ministry of Earth Sciences is one of the key ministry in having this deliberation on the blue economy. I was asking about their experiences, their difficulties which they are facing, and their experiences, but I found it very interesting, because they seem to be very happy with the way all the available facilities are created, and also they are very healthy and look very happy. I'm very satisfied to have interacted with them.
Are we establishing more centers, stations at Antarctica?
Right now, the two centers there, the Bharati and Maitri, they both are well equipped and good enough to take care of the numbers of members of expedition team we send. But in future, if necessary support and enhancement are to be carried forward, it will be done.